Okay guys, this is a 2020 Ford F-350 Platinum Tremor. It's got the bed cover in the back, trifold, the Husky all-weather floor mats, rear heated seats, does have that big panoramic sunroof. You can hear that diesel 6.7. These things almost have 1,000 torque in these new 2020s. Also come with the 10-speed transmission on these new 2020s. Should improve your gas mileage. Big old tow mirrors. Get that to focus for you. There it is again, platinum badging. Powerful mirrors, adaptive cruise, like 16,000 miles on it. Does have the locking differential FX4, that's what that is. Heated cooled seats, 360 backup camera, lane assist, exhaust brake. Does have your remote start and all your auxiliary switches, garage door opener. Does have massage seats. Now that's your massage seat button there. Seats come all the way up. You can prop this up for more storage here. It's Blindspot monitors there. Check out all our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.